So we have this code over here and we want to see what's happening. In the main function, we are simply calling the function pointer test, okay? So now let's see what we have in this function. First of all, we have three integers, a, b, c. A is 1, b is 2, and c is 3. Now we have two uninitialized pointers. Now, over here we are setting p to point to a. So p points to a, okay? And over here we are setting q to point to b. So q points to b. Now we are saying that c is equal to the value pointed by p. So the value pointed by p is a. So over here we have c is equal to a. So c will be equal to 1. So c equal 1, right? Now p is equal to q. So we are copying the value of q to p. This means that we are making p point to the same variable that q is pointing to. So right now q is pointing to b. So p will also point to b. So over here we have something like this. P points to b. Now over here we are saying the variable that p is pointing to is equal to 13. So over here we have b is equal to 13. Now we are printing the value that q is pointing to. So q points to b as we know, and b is equal to 13. So this over here should print 13, right? Now let's print another value. Let's print c. So %d, and I want to print the variable c. So as we know, c over here is equal to 1. So we should see 13, 1, right? Build and run the program, and as you can see we have 13, 1. So these types of exercises, what is the output, are very important, and we will see more about them later. This is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.